Welcome to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Looking at the board, we are to simplify a plus b all over a squared minus b squared. Now, if we look at the numerator a plus b, we are not going to factorize anything. But looking at the denominator, we can factorize. So therefore, if we are to factorize the denominator, we see that there we have it as difference of 2 squared. We have it as difference of 2 squared, which is a minus b into a plus b. At this point, we are going to substitute this into, we are going to substitute it as our denominator. So therefore, we now rewrite the question to be a plus b all over a minus b into a plus b. At this point, you see that a plus b, which is the numerator, let me put it in brackets, the numerator a plus b, and at the denominator we still have another a plus b. So a plus b, we cancel a plus b. Our final answer will now be 1 all over a minus b. This is our final answer. Thanks for watching. Do well to follow this page, Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Like, share, inform your friends, for a good thing has come. Thanks for watching. Bye.